it's Sarah. Today, I am going to be fidget shopping at Target. On the screen are today's shoutouts. If you guys also like a shoutout, just subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag notification squad on my video. I'm super excited to hunt for fidgets at Target because I've also heard many good reviews on Target. So let's hope we find some good fidget toys. And now let's start. Alrighty, so I just arrived at Target, and here I came up to a pretty random section. There's a bunch of random stuff, like these pens, balls, and then some stuffed animals. Ooh, look at these super glittery balls. This one kind of reminds me of JoJo Siwa. Some water guns, tennis, pool noodles, they're so random and contrasting. And then here's a bunch of Paw Patrol stuff. Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh, this is a shaggy stress ball. It's textured and very bright neon orange. It's super massaging and whoa, this is a cat cappuccino. It's a DIY slime mixture. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I also love the pink color. It's really kawaii. So I just came to another section and I came up to this bubble thing. It looks like a giant bubble of bubble gum. It's the exact color of it too. It looks super fun, but I'm not really sure what it is. It kind of reminds me of a stress ball. I'm not really sure if this counts as a fidget, but it seems really cool. Let's keep looking.
Wait guys, look at this. Look at this giant Orbeez pack. Oh my gosh, there's so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's all the colors of the rainbow.
Yes, all the rainbow colors. 2,000 Orbeez. How much does this thing cost?
This would be so nice to put into a stress ball. Wow.
Yeah. They're kind of fidgets themselves already.
Yeah.
Whoa. It's really big. And they're pre-made so you don't have to make them.
So I haven't seen many fidgets yet, but there are some other toy sections here, so hopefully we'll find some other fidgets. You guys, there are literally so many Lego sets here, the Lego Friends, the Frozen. There's just countless. It's a literal museum. Ooh, so there's some Play-Doh here. Is this sounded like blueberries or something? And then this is water and fire. It's kind of creative. Then there's a bunch of mosaic, art stuff here. Ooh, again, the Orbeez. Some Play-Doh here. Ooh, is this rainbow kinetic sand? Oh my god, if this is actually what the sand looks like, I will be super impressed.
Whoa, yeah.
These are some amazing colors,
Rainbow
and they're so bright.
I've never seen something like that.
Wow.
I wonder if it actually looks like this.
Yeah. Ooh, then there's a bunch of slime kits here. You can make a bunch of these slimes.
Looks like this with the rainbow, you know, how the design is on the...
Some more sand stuff. I don't really know if sand counts as a fidget, but it's pretty cool and fun to play with, so. There's actually a lot of slime in here, so. Ooh, there's some pre-made slime, yellow, goldish color. Not my favorite color, but yeah. Ooh, it's like a cake-a-chino, a cappuccino slime buddy. Alright guys, let's keep walking. There's a bunch of the cars and Lego stuff. What even? Okay, I swear, there's so many slimes here at Target. It's just a mystery at this point. Try to find all the hidden slimes here at Target. This one's red, kind of cherry themed. Oh, it's color changing too. That's pretty cool. You guys, I just walked into the the biggest section of LOL dolls and OMG dolls I've ever seen in my life. Look at all of these. Some cotton candy hair. There's so many of them. It's a museum at this point. Look at all these super cotton candy themed pink, blue. Oh my god. There's so many of them. You guys, they even made cars for them? Oh my gosh. Wait, There's a literal Pop It right here. Oh my god, finally, this is like the first like real fidget that we actually found. Oh, well, these actually have a pretty good side. All these fidgets that we're finding are just like laying around. I really need to know where they're actually coming from. Maybe there's like a whole fidget section. So guys, we have to keep looking for fidgets. This doll collection is literally huge. Like, look at this one. There's even like a zipper here. It's so cool. Hold up, what is this? Wait, are these monkey noodles? Now we found our second fidget toy at Target, and I'm actually kind of surprised Target had monkey noodles, but these are super colorful and neon. This doll collection has a lot of fidgets hidden inside of the mess, so let's just keep searching. Wait, are these snappers, like these Snapsies? Oh wait, they're just like animals or something with like cute names and stuff, but they're not snappers, I guess. There's some stuffed animals, stuff like that.
Look at this.
Ooh, blue airplay. Is that like foam? Is that foam slime? I think it is. It has like some micro foam beads. That's really cool. It's very squishy too. A fidget spinner! Oh my gosh, finally! It has some really cool designs like orange and pink. These are like super fun. I'm so glad we found one.
Let's keep looking.
Oh my god, this Baby Yoda is adorable, but it's $20. That's really expensive. So here's another toy section. Oh my god, wait. There's already mesh balls. Look, this is like a gray color. And it's color changing. It turns to red. This is like so unique. I've never seen any mesh balls that turn gray to red. Oh, there's another purple one that changes to pink. It's so neon. A great ball. Then there's a bunch of the silly strings so you can like spray it on people. Oh my god, look at this. These are like these things that you like put your handprint on it. Like, see, like it does my handprint and it massages your hands. That's so cool. Ooh, like these bunch of fidget spinners. I found one earlier, but this one is like much prettier. There's a whole pile. Some crystals. Ooh, some magnetic putty. They even called Amazing. Now there's some, ooh, these like Flip-A-Zoos, like that change with the sequence. Then a bunch of like slimes in here. Oh my god, there was a Pop It. No, but it's already gone. Someone already took it. Look at all those colors. It's so bright. This would be so nice to get. It's like so pretty. Wait, what is this, like confetti? Wait, is this like monkey noodles? They said these ooey gooey worms. They kind of, are they like Orbeez or monkey noodles? I think this counts as a fidget though. Oh my god, this is like a squishy, but it's not that like, oh wow, it is actually pretty slow rising. It's like shaped like a mint ice cream or something, or pistachio, I'm not sure, but so cute. Ooh, now there's some other fidget spinners, a white one, a metallic, like silver one. Oh, and then we found this before, but really shaggy. So this is a really cool fidget section. Finally, we found some fidgets. I actually might be getting some of these mesh balls and those worms. Hopefully we can find a Pop It though, because we did found evidence that there is some, so we need to find some Pop Its. Ooh, look at this. It's like marble. Look at these like bouncy balls. There's a bunch. I love sitting on them. So I just entered another toy section and I came up to some golden Play-Doh. Like, look at this. You can make some like trucks and stuff. You can build things. It's super cool. There's a bunch of more slime kits, Play-Doh. Wait. Yes, we finally found the origin of all the Pop Its. Look at this. There's a whole wall of these Pop Its. I think they're yellow circles or like they're octagons or something. But there's literally so many of them. They're all the same color, same shape. I'd say they're a bit plain, and they're $8 for one Poppet. That is pretty expensive for like a plain Poppet. But I'm glad we finally found where all those mysterious Poppets were laying around came from. Okay, so far it's actually doing pretty good. We found actually quite a few fidget toys here at Target. So let's look around. We have another toy section. Oh my god, there's a bucket, like a boat full of Orbeez. I'm pretty sure you put your feet in there for like a spa day. What's this? Is this like a squishy? I think this is just like a toy, like a doll or something. Let's look some more. Nothing too much here. Some Cards Against Humanity. I've never even seen that before. Some Play-Doh. Ooh, is this like a yo-yo? Duncan. I'm not sure what this is, but I think it might be a yo-yo. I'm not sure. But all right, so we're nearing the baby section. There's a bunch of like toys in here. Ooh, oh my god, this makes like oil noises. Wait, this is a Simple Dimple? Oh my gosh, you guys, Target has Simple Dimples. Whoa, this is actually a legit Simple Dimple. Like, even has a pink color in it. These are like so fun. I love them. But it's kind of $13, which is actually pretty expensive. Not that cheap, because it only comes with one. But I'm super surprised and did not expect this. So, you guys, if you are coming to look for some fidgets, you might as well go to Target. Guys, look what I just found. Right next to the baby section, there's this giant pack of Squishmallows. Look at this. I think this is like an avocado toast. Oh, it's upside down. But it's like so giant. There's a bunch of spices on it. It's so big and squishy. Oh my god, it's like a giant loaf of bread. And then we also have a like cute little narwhal here. Oh my god, I just blushed. It's like so magical. I love narwhals. Then we have, oh, what do we have here? It's like a pink flying alpaca. It has like wings. It's so adorable. Then we have like a bunch of stuffed animals, like ostriches or something. So majestic. Yeah, Squishmallows are definitely fidgets. And yeah, guys, that was the video. I really hope you all enjoyed it. Overall, I think Target had some pretty good fidget toys, and they were really fun to hunt for them. But I would say the prices are a bit high. But make sure to comment down below which fidget was your favorite that I found. Like, subscribe if you want to. Bye!